because I don't know, but like we're gonna be doing a video today, and he wants to go to the park. I don't really know. Since he wants to go to the park, then we're just gonna go to the park. I'm going out of town on the 8th April, so that's a long way. But I don't really care. Get in this car. Good that you don't have your kids this time, because last time you had your kids, they was Anyways, don't call me an African Big Bag, you're African Chick Jack. And those are my kids. Why? We have a new friend. How'd you know it? Because the more you do that, the more I want to hit you.
Gonna put it on loud.
We have a new friend. How'd you know it? Cause they told
Pizza, patio. And he told me, pizza, patio.
You shut up.
Girl, I'm not even doing nothing to you. Sorry. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Let's put on some music coming this time. Send time.
Cut it down.
No, I'm gonna cut it down. Bro, you're getting mad at me because I'm putting on NBA, young boy never broke again. Never
See, now you finna shake.
4K
NBA,
Video.
Yimbo, never. But to me, happy if Mr. Bones. My phone, open, but offered shows sensitivity towards
I need high, ain't worry about y'all. I drink codeine, my cup on it, did it to the next. Smoking hella weed, loaded, I just bought another pack. Don't run up on me, touching you might walk.
You over changing my favorite song. See, now we're fight. Now we just got done fighting because you want to change my song. Back to drive. Shut up and hurry up and drive. Hold up, sup, KK. Are you know ya be ya?
Humpering, I'd say that's more than fashion. We're doing all the noise. Believe he's
I don't even know, but I really want you to shut up. Like, seriously, I just really want you to shut up so bad. Thunderstorm? Another thunderstorm. Get your big fat piggy back in the car, out the car actually. His kids will not shut up. Shut up! Go in. Shut up, bro, because it's a siren, and you know when a siren, how a siren beeps like. So sorry, don't do that again, please, because that was stupid of you.
Or don't call me stupid. You're stupid, or you're built like a.
We're here at the park, and I mean, I forgot where you were at. You were. Sorry, that's not my favorite car. But like, go out and get your kids because yeah, guys, I will be giving y'all like a tour April the 8th because I'm going out of town on April the 8th. So stay tuned for me posting. But if I like post on a different days because we didn't get there at April the 8th, so we're leaving at April the 8th. But we might get there at night because we're going to Houston for our Louisiana. I think it was a Louisiana. It was probably a Louisiana, but hopefully I liked the video.
Young private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't late today.